Welcome back. Just before we go to Ria on that positive brokerage note on Sri Lotus, pull up PB Fintech, and that stock has now slumped to the day's lowest point, or more than 5% down on the stock. And this is just minutes after Yash did his exclusive on the IRDI. There you can see a very sharp slide on PB Fintech in the last few minutes. Now 5% lower on that stock, 17.15, and IRDI, of course, expressing concerns on their high insurance commissions and distribution costs since meeting with the CEOs of the sector. That is the exclusive that Yash just brought to you a few minutes ago. So that is having an impact on PB Fintech. But what's having a good day today is the newly listed Sri Lotus Developers, and that is on the back of a positive brokerage note that has come in from Motilal Oswal, and Ria is here to tell us just that. Ria.
Well, yes, Thomas, just before we go to the details of the brokerage note, let's take a look at what the company does. They are a developer of residential and commercial projects based out of Mumbai. The company is primarily focused on redevelopment projects in the ultra-luxury and luxury segment in the western suburbs of the city. As you said, the company was recently listed and they raised about Rs 792 crores through its IPO. Now, Motilal today has initiated coverage on the stock with a buy call and a target price of Rs 250, which is a 35% upside compared to yesterday's closing. Over the last 3 financial years, the company has clocked a pre-sales CAGR of around 39%. Currently, they have completed 4 projects, and there are also 5 ongoing residential projects with a combined potential value of around Rs 1,900 to 2,000 crores. The company is also currently executing projects worth around Rs 2.6 million square feet, 89% of which fall under the redevelopment model. Now, they also have 8 upcoming residential projects with a GDV potential of 7,000 to 7,500 crores. These are to be completed by the end of FY27, and they're also developing 3 commercial projects with an estimated sales potential of Rs 3,000 to 3,500 crores. The company is also net debt free, which adds to the optimism from Motilal Oswal. They have estimated that pre-sales are expected to post a CAGR of 129% over FY25 to 28, which is guided by the company's strong project pipeline, and they are also expected to generate a cumulative operating cash flow of around Rs 6,900 crores by FY32, with operating margins exceeding 40%. So on the back of this positive note coming in from Motilal, the stock is up around 5.5% in trade at the moment.
Thank you so much, Ria, for joining us, telling us all that's happening as far as Sri Lotus Developers is concerned.